Hey, this is Handmade, and I'm Keri, and today we're going to show you how to make the only baby shower game that you'll ever need. It's easy, it's cheap, and it's super entertaining for everybody at the party. Start with pictures of mom and dad, and to add more variety, get pictures of the grandparents. And if you get pictures that are straight on with the heads about the same size, it's going to make things way easier. Use a straight cutter to cut your picture into different slices. You'll want to do the forehead, eyes, nose, mouth, and chin. To add more variety, you can even cut the eyes in half. Now just repeat with each family member photo. Make several copies of each family member so that every person at the party has plenty of options. Set out your glue sticks and scissors, markers, washi tape, and stickers so that everybody can embellish their works of art. We had so much fun making these. Literally everyone on set could not get enough of it. And these are just stock images, so I imagine if you did this with people you really know, it would be extra fun. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.